Good afternoon mga kabalin. Nandito po ako sa Dragon Mountain Vietnamese Park dito sa Milpitas. Just walking around and enjoying the beautiful view dito sa park na to. Located po dito sa Milpitas. Inside Ed Levin Park. So this is the surrounding area. Doon po yung parkingan. Lahat doon, meron dito sa taas. And meron po sa baba. Nandito po siya sa may taas-taas ng bundok. So from down there, there's a parking lot. And also there's a parking lot up here. So here it is. And there's a stairs going up to that small house temple po doon sa taas. Ayun siya oh, para siyang maliit na apartment. So anyway, enjoy the view. Let's walk around. So this side po, it said do not enter. So if you wanna go up there, you have to use the other way dun sa kabila, yung may stairs na pinakita ko. So ayan o, yung mga nag-aalay ng bulaklak and fruits. Every station yata meron. So let's go inside here. Oh, what is this one? I think this is like a family. So wala pong way dun. Siguro pwede tayong dumaan lang dito. Excuse me. Excuse me. And ayan po, oh, ang daming mga ano din. Ang daming succulent plant. Okay. King Founder of Ban Lang. Ayan siya oh. The real founder of Vietnamese establisher. Hung Bong. Correct me for the pronunciation. So ayan po, ang daming mga ano statue. And also here's the view na sinasabi kong Ed Levin Park. Ayan siya oh. There's a golf downstairs. So that's the view. And then, like what I said, you can go up there. And if you see that orange house with the tree up there, you can go up there and check it out. So eto po, nandito pa rin ako. Still walking around the Dragon Mountain Park. And this is, tignan natin kung sino siya. Oh, the greatest Zen master. So, ayan po si Great Master. Diyan sa likod ko. It's right there. And ayan po yung surrounding. Marami po silang mga ano dito, magagandang succulent, ang lalaki oh. Oh yeah, look at my, tignan nyo yung kamay ko oh. Ang laki ng ano, halaman. And my hands, ayun. And dito, mayroon silang another, I think these are the donkey's tail. Ayan oh, ang ganda oh. Donkey's tail. Ganda. Sunburst. They have sunburst succulent here. So, Kabalen, from downstairs, nandito po ako sa taas ng Ed11 Park. And nandito po ako sa top ng Mountain Dragon Vietnamese Park. And ito po yung view. Ayan po, ang ganda. Right there. See all the nicest view. And doon po sa baba pala, right there, it's a golf course park. Ayun o, merong nagko-golf. Okay, explore pa tayo. So nandun po si Habi sa taas. Ayun, kung nakikita nyo siya, right there. Ay, nakilala. So anyway, umakyat po siya from these stairs. I'll show you yung hagdanan. So dito po umakyat si Habi, going to that orange house up there. And anyway, it's third day of spring na po dito sa California. Ayan o, ang gaganda po ng mga bulaklak. Okay, baba na kami from the top up there.
Right.
Dahan-dahan ka kasi bato-bato to. Hindi pa. Be careful.
Just hold me in my neck, my shoulder.
Okay, this is the stairs na pababa.
When would these statues are, huh? Gotta have some kind of meaning.
From that You said temple ba yan?
Yeah, it's a temple.
Okay, from that temple, going down
Yeah,
now.
look at the fruits, orange fruit.
I know everything is, ano, that's why Vietnamese like to eat orange.
It's actually for Buddhist temple. They built this for everybody to come. It's free. Come by.
Come
This
by
actually has a
and
nice
free.
view. Careful, look where
Kaso,
you going?
ayan o, there is a orange tree up there. And there is another Buddha. Oh no, I don't know how to call them.
It's gotta say something on the beginning of this one. Hold on to here.
Ayan o. So, we came from up there, galing kami doon. And then, going down na, ayan po, ang daming mga Buddha na estatwa. Pero hindi ko sila alam kung anong pangalan. So anyway, hi Grandpa. Looks like Grandpa Buddha. So, long way to go pa para bumaba. Ayan, tapos nagsisindi sila ng kandila here.
It's an offering.
Offering daw. Mga hindi kandila. Anong tawag dyan? No, what do they call this thing? Incense. Right there. Okay.
They do their worship and for good luck.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my vlog. Please come over here, it's free admission. Thank you. Please subscribe on my channel. Oh my god. My Abby is already there. Right there. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye guys. Bye.